Hello and welcome to my demonstration today on Synergy. So Synergy is a web-based system and can be accessed using any web browser. It is also a permission-based system, so not everyone has access to everything in the system, and you can connect it where you're supposed to based upon your position, profession, department, and group. So after logging into the demo system here, we have the main dashboard on our home page, so we can have a quick connection to some of our recent files that were viewed, along with any announcements, as well as our recent approvals. And on our left here, we have the three main modules in Synergy. So we have the document management, workflow management, and human resources. And then we also have a couple applications here, such as asset and maintenance management, which includes your maintenance management, which has your work orders, where you can also start a new work order, along with the material management module, where we have all our materials and we can also add new materials. And then we also have a couple others, such as customer approval and customer satisfaction. And then we also have the expense management module, along with a legal document and raw material control, quality control. And then lastly, we also have a dashboard on in Synergy. So just to give you an example, let's look at the report here. So we can do add new expense for the expense management module. So here we can input the document number, the department, the creator, along with the date. And then we can also add any details. So we can input the expense type here, along with the date that it incurred at, along with the currency amount. So we can choose different currencies, and we can input the expense amount along with a description. And we can also attach any attachments such as bills or invoices, and we can save that to the expense claim management form. And then once we have all the information filled out, we can send this form out, and then we will see it in our workflow management. If we go in to create works, we can see our expense management flow form here. And now let's take a quick look at our document management module here. So here we can also get a quick access to some of our recent files that we reviewed, along with any favorited documents. And by the way, Synergy supports all document formats from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF. So in this particular module, document management module, we have these different libraries. So let's go into one of these. And here, for example, we have different folders. So for example, we have some training certificates along with some templates. So let's say we were going into the training certificates, we can view the different certificates that we have here. And then we also have some templates that are available here. And to add a file or a folder, we can do that by going up here into new, and then we can add the new folder and new file. And then over here, we have recent files, favorited documents, along as a trash can, binned to delete any files that you don't need. And lastly, I want to show you the Synergy dashboard here. So here it is. So we have some of our key components, such as started processes that are already been started, along with the ones that are in progress and the finished processes. And then we also have this graphical bar chart here that includes your process count by users that we have, which is also very interactive. And then we also have the process count by the project that we have, and also by department. So for example, we have board of directors, HR, product management, sales and marketing, and system. And then we also have the monthly process count. So this just gives an idea of the different types of visuals that you can use to better show your processes. And with that, this concludes my demonstration today on Synergy on a very high level. Thank you so much for watching. To view our other videos, you can always, about our other products, you can always do so by going to our website. And thank you so much for watching.